The 2018 Toyota Corolla is the perfect blend of reliability, efficiency, and modern style. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out for a weekend drive, or running errands around town, the Corolla is built to handle it all with ease. Step inside and experience a spacious, thoughtfully designed cabin with comfortable seating, advanced connectivity, and intuitive controls. The user-friendly infotainment system keeps you connected, while Toyota's renowned build quality ensures a smooth and confident ride. Under the hood, the Corolla's fuel-efficient engine delivers impressive performance without sacrificing economy. And with Toyota Safety Sense, you'll enjoy peace of mind thanks to advanced driver assistance features that help keep you and your passengers safe. If you're looking for a sedan that's practical, stylish, and built to last, the 2018 Toyota Corolla is ready for you. Visit High